All right, Rangers. Our plan of attack is simple. Halo drop into Scourge City, fire a whole mess of bullets, and take Drake into custody so we can be home in time for waffle. Mm-hmm. Yeah, waffle!
Oh, that's good.
Wait, that's our plan?
Yes, it is.
Pardon me, Captain, but Chairman Drek is cunning. He will be prepared for our assault.
Look, I think it is beyond adorable that you decided to do all this homework. But big heroes do big things. Let's take a vote. All those in favor of kicking in Drek's front door with a massive arsenal and restoring peace to a galaxy in turmoil, say aye.
Aye!
All those in favor of nerding it up here with some pie charts, say nay.
Nay.
Motion passes. We assault Drek Industries tonight. Lock and load, Rangers. Remember rally in the aft airlock. All right, team. Let's bring it in. Remember, our target is Chairman Drek. Ready, Rangers? On the count of 3.
All right, pal. You ready? Well, I Ratchet to Rangers. I've landed in Quartu, but I ran out of jetpack fuel.
Ratchet and I are heading over to the complex. We'll split up and keep radio contact. Good luck, team.
Drek Industries is up ahead. Let's move. Follow me. Enemies up ahead. I'll cover you. I'll hit the switch. Wait here.
Versa bridge activated.
Try crossing now. Careful. Guards up ahead. Attack! Heads up! We got some fire! To the left! Last one! Not bad for a rookie. Place looks pretty secure. Any ideas on a point of entry?
Be careful in there, Clank. Come in, Rangers. I'm inside Drek Industries' ventilation system.
Good work, Cadet. I wish I was in that vent with you. Curse these abnormally large muscles.
There's a security terminal just north of your position. Shut it down, and the Rangers should be able to access the building.
Here we are. Exotronic career opportunities page. Please state your current position. Assistant to evil against the defense. What are you doing back here? There must be a way through this room. Another gadget. before Chairman Direct finds you!
Attention, all warbots. Warbot Platoon 774 has successfully completed training and is ready for action. Congratulations. Now go out there and ruin someone's day.
All done. That didn't work at all! Oh, I just finished shooting those!
Oh my, that looks dangerous.
Think your way out of this one!
Despicable. Do not fail me now.
Everything going okay, Val?
I am almost.
Okay, that's far enough. Get that now! Rest my brilliance!
I will find another Gadgetbot.
Attention, all warbots. Chairman Trek would like to thank you for your hard work. Ice cream sandwiches will be served in the cafeteria this afternoon from 1:10 to 1:15 p.m. Also, a friendly reminder that there is a mandatory meeting for all warbots from 1 to 1:30 on Deck B. Any warbots not attending will be destroyed.
Good work, Gadgetbot.
Simple soldier! Who upgraded you? Okay, you wanna fight? How about fighting a real warbot? Wait until Victor sees that I've captured you. Then I'll be top henchman. Maybe he can set on this. I am a true warbot. There's certainly nothing you can do about this great walking your way into the security room. Yep, I'd just give up if I were you.
Perhaps that magnet can be an assistant.
Computer, dial Chairman Trek.
Dialing Chairman Drek.
Greetings. You've reached the voicemail box of Chairman Alonzo Drek. I'm away from my probably in a meeting or something. Perhaps securing the future for our race. Anywho, leave a message at the beep. Unless it's bad news. The next person who brings me bad news goes straight to the lava pit.
Hey, let me down! Heed my warning, Warbot! You and that terminal are the property of Drek Industries. Don't you dare execute that command! You executed it! Well, don't even think about double-clicking on the security icon and bypassing our systems. You did it again! I don't believe this.
Come in, team. I have disengaged the facility's security grid.
Good work, pal. See you back at the factory tarmac.
Nice work, little buddy.
You did well, Clank.
Yeah, wait, what are we talking about? I zoned out for a second.
Alright, let's head inside and find Drek.
Engaging motion scan.
I've even arranged a demonstration of the helicopter's latest model.
Toasted.
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill.
It looks like the main office is up there.
Oh my. This assembly line is the place of my creation. I am experiencing many conflicting feelings.
Do you know how to be killed? Allow Mr. Zurkon to see.
There's a fueling station behind that force field.
You go for the station. I'll cover you. Think you can flank that turret? Nice work. Let's move. Watch yourself over here. We've got zircons! Not bad, Ratchet.
Did you enjoy my zircons? Don't worry. There are plenty more surprises ahead. Get ready.
Here we go.
More of them.
trespasser to access the refueling station.
Shield deactivated.
Okay, I refilled my jetpack.
Good. Let's secure the upper level and get into that office.
As you can see, we're at peak warbot supply. It's the perfect time to break into new markets around the...
Our heroes are learning an important lesson. Always take the easy path to victory.
Let's take out these warbots, then deactivate those lasers.
More of them by the security.
Captain, are you there? Ratchet and I are under fire and we need assistance. Over.
Understood, Ranger. I'm sort of tied up over here myself. Yep. Ah, the enemies. You hear me? Get out of here, enemies! Yeah, I'm under a lot of heavy fire, so unfortunately I won't be able.
You can all relax now. I'm finally here.
Goodbye, stupid Ranger.
I'm okay.
You want to take this one? It's time to be the penalty.
You're the last minute of your lives, Rangers.
We can't let that slime ball get away. It's time to eat the nuts. Her shield's down! Fire! Destroy her shield! Yeah, the bigger they are. I'm gonna go investigate that office. Meet me there.
Ratchet, I dispatched your ship to the Drek Industries tarmac. We'll see you back on Karwan.
Hey, can you take care of this lock? We're in! Come on!
Fascinating. These are plans for something called a deplanetizer.
The planetizer?
Why would Drek be destroying planets?
Not destroy. It seems that Drek is trying to build the perfect planet.
Wait for me! Wait! You don't even have my email! It's Space Station! Okay!
Novalis! He wants Novalis!
Novalis? Novalis is populated.
Yes! 43,618,924 people to be exact! The Snorkelsons had twins this morning!
We gotta move.
There's not a minute to lose, Rangers. Let's rendezvous and head toward this deplanetizer thingy.
Where should we go? We must stop the deplanetizer before it destroys another planet.
Huh?